This is the first in a series of 4 videos on CPU web pages. Before you can access the CPU through a web page, you must have a Profinet CPU and access to the CPU through the web. You must have enabled web server and CPU properties of the hardware configuration and downloaded it to the CPU. For help on this, view the video CPU Properties Web tab. Another important note here is that accessing the CPU across the web could open up security vulnerabilities. Make sure you take precautions to ensure that your system is secure before accessing it over the web. The first thing we're going to need is the CPU's IP address. Double-click on the Profinet port. Let's move this window down to make room for the browser. Open a web browser. Type the CPU's IP address, 192.168.111.102, and press the Enter key. The CPU welcome page opens. Let's maximize it. On the welcome page, click the Enter button. Here on the Start page, the station name, module name, and CPU type are shown. In addition, the operation mode, CPU status, and position of the selector switch are also shown. Here you can see there's a fault on the CPU, but it's still running. Next, click on the identification page link. If the plant designation and local identifier have been filled out in the hardware configuration, they will display here. The CPU's serial number and order number are shown, as well as the versions of hardware, firmware, and bootloader. Now, let's take a look at the diagnostic buffer page. The second message here says there's a Profinet I/O station failure. Let's click on this message. It looks like station number 1 is down. The requested organization block is OB86. OB86 is in the CPU, therefore the CPU did not go to the stop mode. Next, let's look at the communication page. On this page, we see the media access or MAC address, the CPU's Profinet port, the IP address, and subnet mask. Also note the IP address is set by an SDB or system data block. What this means is that the IP address was downloaded from the hardware configuration editor by means of a system data block. There are 2 ports on this CPU. Port 1 is in use, it is communicating OK and transferring data at 100 megabits per second in full duplex mode. Full duplex means that the CPU can send and receive information simultaneously. Port 2 is currently not in use. Please see the videos CPU Web Pages Part 2, 3, and 4 to see how to access the other web pages shown in the left margin here and to set the page refresh times.